Hi Avid students, I hope you're doing well. I miss you. Today is Sunday, April 26th, I think. I just got in from working in the garden, took a shower, and I just wanted to check in. The directions for today's lesson are kind of complicated. They're a little bit more complicated than I feel like I can type in one or two steps on a slide. So I just wanted to come on and explain to you what I want you to do. So this week I want you to think about the tutorial process. You guys know we're not doing tutorials for distance learning because that would take up too much time and would be really difficult to orchestrate. But that doesn't mean that your time learning how to do tutorials wasn't valuable. It absolutely was. And I want you to think about that. So in the slide on the computer, there is a link to a one-pager, or I think it's actually a two-pager, that explains or re-explains the 10 steps to the tutorial process. I want you to refresh your memories on what those 10 steps are, and I want you to create some sort of visual representation of how you can still use each one of those steps. So you can make a circular web, you can make a web, you could make a timeline, whatever you want to, but I want you to list each step and how you can use each step during independent learning for distance learning. Each step should also have a non-linguistic representation or a picture, okay? So for instance, the first step is that you take notes, right? So are you still gonna take notes in every class? Maybe you will. If so, that stays the same. I'm going to take notes in every class. If not, what are you going to be doing instead of taking notes? How are you going to be gathering information as an online learner? So you're going to make that step and then go through each step, make sure it's visual. Then you just take a picture of it, upload it to the Google Classroom, or if you want to do it digitally, that's fine too, but remember you need a picture for each step. So that's what you're doing today. Remember to upload your goals to Flipgrid. Last week, only 3 of you did it. I'm kind of disappointed in that, so I need you guys to get on it, okay? Miss you. Bye.